Hi everyone, it's Joanna. Welcome to my channel. This video is about cooking, 2 recipes, biscuits and beans. I hope you enjoy it. Let's see. So let's cook. I'm going to show you what you need for this recipe, for the Nutella cookies. I need really fine white sugar. I didn't have white sugar, I have brown sugar, so I'm going to use this one. Then you need self-rising flour, Nutella, eggs, and butter. So, two spoonfuls of sugar, of butter. You need 150 grams of rising flour, self-rising flour, an egg, a cup of Nutella, and it says, the recipe says 110 grams of sugar, but my sister made this and she said it was too sweet, so we're only going to put 40 grams of sugar, because Nutella is sweet anyway. It's very fine brown sugar. I don't know if that's going to affect the recipe, because it's supposed to be like really thin. So if you do have white, you know, like the powder sugar, I don't know what it's called, the really fine sugar you use and you put it on, like, it looks like snow, it's very fine, that's the sugar you're supposed to use. I'm using brown sugar. So let me continue. You put the 2 spoonfuls of butter, the egg, the 1 jar of Nutella, and I put in 40 grams of sugar in the bowl, and you mix them with the mixer. So I'm going to show you after that what it's going to look. You don't put the flour in yet. So this is the mix. I've mixed everything up. I'm going to start adding the the flour soon, and I'm using this Kenwood. This is really easy. I'll link it in the description box. It's really easy to use. I don't know how to use mixers or anything, but this is really good. Easy to assemble, very small, really easy. Good stuff. I don't think it's expensive either. I think it's cheap. So I'm going to put in some flour slowly. That's what it says, and then I'll show you what the mixture looks like. You need to have that what's that called, the non-grease paper. That's what you cook them on, and you preheat your oven to 180. I'll link the Greek recipe in the description box, but it's in Greek, so maybe you need to use Google Translate, I don't know. So this is the mixture, batter, whatever it's called, I don't know, domigma in Greek. And now I'm going to make it into like little balls and then squash them. I'll show you, and put them on the paper, and then I'm going to cook them. So this is very sticky. The recipe says make little balls with your hands, but that one was with my hand, and then I just used spoons and just made the blobs here. And I'm going to have a second tray, because you're supposed to have them at least 2.5 centimeters apart. So I'm just going to have these ones on this one, and then I'll make another one, because I don't have that much left. So yeah. Okay, so use a little spoon. I've made my little blobs. I'll show you what they look like in the end. This is the first time I've made cookies, guys. I've never made them before, so this is very sticky stuff. We'll see. I'll let you know. I'll tell you how long you're supposed to cook them for. I said 180. You have to preheat the oven. The recipe says you cook for 10 to 12 minutes, and then you let them sit for about 5 minutes. So let's see. God, I'm so scared. They look like, and we're going to put them out to cool. They look kind of okay. We had them in for 13 minutes. The cooling rack. The cookies are really yummy. I'll show you what they look like up close. So here, that's what the back looks like. Front. When you take them out, they're a bit soft, but they become dry after a while, so it's okay. No worries. Lunch, we're having boiled potatoes with fine green beans and cobs. I've put in 1 oxo in the water, and we're going to have it with lemon, olive oil, some pepper, some parsley, dried parsley, onion and garlic on top. So I'll show you the dressing later. So I've put half a lemon. I'm going to put some, I'll show you what else. So I put in some fresh parsley. I'm going to put in some onion. I don't have any fresh onion. And I'm going to put in some garlic, some pepper, and a little bit maybe dry, but probably not. That's it, that's all. And olive oil. And then I'm going to mix it all up. I'll show you in the end. So I added some olive oil. That's how much I've added. So half lemon, and then I put some garlic, some onion. I put some sea salt as well. I put some pepper. And when everything's boiled, I'm going to put this on top. So depending on how spicy you want it, you just add or take out. And I've mixed everything now. And everything's boiling over there. Get your Greek feta and bread because you're going to be eating this. I'm going to toast this bread because I like it nice and warm and yummy. Can't wait, I'm hungry. Whoa. The sauce on the corn because I don't know if it goes with lemon. I don't like lemon on my corn, but if you do, that's fine. You just put a bit and then mix it up. And yeah, there you go. I'm going to put some on the other one as well. And then just feta and toasted bread. Oh, really nice. Bon appetit.